So the essential coding question, they ask that question to me, like I give that test. So in this they ask that you are given an array of length for each index to until start index to end. But the main thing is it's a very easy question, not that much stuff. You just in a question also they give that answer, like we need to check the size is a maximum 0 to array I, so they given us that array. After that what I need to do, each time we need to compute it, and whatever the maximum size will come, like we check it at 0 to I minus array I, like whatever the current index is there. After that that array I is like currently we just assume it 2 minus 0, so we see na ki that the maximum will 0. So the second loop will run only the from I to the 0, so sorry, 0 to 0 only. So what is the maximum is there, what is the sum is there, 2. Next time what the maximum will come, like that similar thing will happen. And each time what will the sum will come, we need to add the all sum into the total sum, or we need to return the output. So the main point is that we need to write that code only in a Java and Python. I am also comfortable with C++, but they didn't give the answer, so I can do with the Java. So this is the coding question. And one thing or more is this, they given us a front-end question, and they also give to us one SQL question. So I don't recall the SQL question and the front-end question, but maybe in a front-end they give to me like क्या दिया था, CSS में कुछ चेंजेस करने थे, और जो मेरा एक उनने बॉक्स बना के दिया था और एक बटन दी थी जो शो हो रही थी और हिडन हो रही थी, मुझे उसको 18 पिक्सल में इंक्रीज करना था. हाँ, ये फ्रंट एंड का क्वेश्चन था. SQL का तो थोड़ा टफ था, तो एग्जैक्ट मुझे याद नहीं है. सो दिस इज द एसेंशियल कोडिंग राउंड.